Welcome. I'm Julie Hill with Yoga Body. I help people eliminate pain and tension from their lives so that they can get back into doing the activities that they love. We use therapeutic movement and somatic awareness. And I wanted to talk to you today about myofascial release. If you are interested in learning how to let go of tension and really getting into some of those hard to reach, tight areas in your body, then this is for you. Myofascia is a tissue that runs through your entire system, and it can get grippy and sticky. Muscles are meant to glide on each other smoothly, but when that's restricted, we start to feel inflammation and limited range of motion. So I teach individuals and students how to use balls to let the tissue kind of cup to the ball so that it can slowly release, finding ease there and softness, and then moving the tissue across the ball. Using these different density of balls makes a big difference. It also allows it to get closer into that specific area that seems to be held or gripping. You'll find benefits from myofascial release on a regular basis. Finding less stiffness and soreness in your muscles, reducing joint stress, correcting muscle imbalances, and then increasing range of motion. I'd love to have you come to a workshop or see a video. Check out my website at yogabodylllc.com for more information and to find out what other participants are saying about the workshops. I hope to see you soon. Namaste.